What if I told you that a single line of code just rewrote the history of mathematics? In 2026, OpenAI didn't just release another chatbot, they deployed a reasoning engine that disproved a central conjecture in discrete geometry. This isn't sci-fi. It's happening right now. For decades, mathematicians believed a specific geometric arrangement was impossible. But this new AI model looked at the problem, processed millions of logical paths, and found the counterexample. This changes everything for how we approach complex proofs. We are witnessing the birth of automated mathematical discovery.
إلى أن فدا wo yi bi bang bi ya so wong bi yi in the bi.
If this blew your mind, hit that like button. We are documenting every major AI breakthrough in 2026. Next week, I'll show you how to use this same reasoning model to optimize your codebase automatically. It's insane what these models can do when you understand their logic. Subscribe so you don't miss the next tool that changes everything. Drop a comment below. What unsolved problem do you want AI to tackle next? Let's build the future together, one command at a time. Thanks for watching, and keep coding.